If you're looking for a good bleach alternative, then you need to check this out. I used 4 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide and just a few drops of citrus essential oil. Then place it in the bleach tray of your washing machine as you normally would. So by using this do-it-yourself bleach solution, it keeps my pillowcases looking bright white without using all the harsh chemicals that bleach normally would. So simple and effective to do.
So I've got my soap. Start by grating the soap. All you're gonna do is sprinkle a little bit of your Irish soap right there in the windowsill. If it rains, it's going to basically clean your windowsill, but it will also keep the flies away. Grab some vinegar. Fill a reusable jar full of vinegar. Cut some citrus and peel off the peel. Place the peels into the vinegar. You can add a variety of other herbs. Place the jar into the refrigerator. After a week, open up a spray bottle, strain out and discard the peels and the rosemary and the other herbs you're using. And use this mixture to clean your tables and other surfaces. Add 1 3/4 cups of water to a bowl. 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of Dawn dish soap. Grab any old pitcher and place some paper towels into the pitcher. Take your mixture and pour it into the center of the paper towels. Let it sit, then remove the center paper towel piece. You've now created disposable cleaning wipes. Wipe up your table and discard the paper towel. Keep the lid on to keep them from drying out. Add 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar, 1 cup of rubbing alcohol, add a few drops of Dawn dish soap. Mix all of these ingredients together and pour the mixture into the spray bottle. Grab whatever steam mop you have. Fill it up with distilled water. Grab a reusable microfiber cloth. Wring out all of the excess water and make sure to wring it out well. And clip it into place on your steam mop. Once the steam mop is ready, you can use the reusable mop pad to clean your floor. You can spot treat with the mixture that you made by spraying it onto sticky residue, mud, dirt, any grease and grime. Once you're done, remove the pad, throw it in the laundry, and it's ready to reuse next time. So we're gonna start with creating some cleaners. This is an all-natural soap, good ingredients, no harsh chemicals. So this glass container holds approximately 2 cups. And what we're going to do is put 4 tablespoons into the bottle. Next, we're gonna add water and fill it all the way up to the top. Now that the lid's on, we give it a little bit of a shake to get that soap mixed in with the water, and this one is ready to use. All you gotta do is spray your cleaner on, and I like to use washcloths that I can reuse so they're eco-friendly. So this cleaner is great for granite countertops. It's good for any surface. It will not hurt any surface. Once you're done, you rinse your little washcloth out, and you can give it a little rinse. This cleaner is also good for sinks. Do not forget to use your cleaner. Go ahead and get it good and clean, kill all of those germs, and go ahead and rinse it all out. The best way to buff a faucet afterwards is a good old microfiber cloth. But you just go in and wipe the faucet and it shines right up. No need for harsh chemicals. So for this one, I'm using vinegar, and I'm gonna pour in approximately 1/10, and then I'm gonna fill the rest with water. So for this, I'll be using a mild abrasive sponge. Now please note this is vinegar. So if you have any granite in your shower, do not use vinegar. Vinegar is an acid and it's really hard on granite. So you would want to use the other Castile soap. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray the vinegar mixture onto the tile and the grout, and then you use your sponge or washcloth onto, and it will get your grout clean. This is great for floors as well, your backsplashes, any of that. And then all you do is rinse it off when you're done. Can you see all this white here? That is mineral deposits and soap scum that ends up on your shower. So there are 2 ways to work at your glass. One is to spray it with vinegar, especially if you have those mineral deposits. This will eat away at them and help you clean them. Be careful again of what kind of sponge you use because you don't want it to scratch your glass. And then you just scrub your glass and you'll get all those deposits, at least as most you can, and then you'll rinse it all off. Now we're gonna talk about another great cleaner that most people have in their homes, and this is baking soda. Now baking soda is great for sinks, especially cast iron ones, but it is abrasive. So you can sprinkle this in your sink and scrub your sink. Works great on stainless. But let's talk about how to make a less abrasive cleaner for your home by pouring some baking soda into a bowl like so. Next, I'm gonna take some of that Castile soap, put
put about a tablespoon in and give it a little stir. Now you want this to make a paste so that it's ready to go, but it should be of a nice consistency like this. Just gonna scoop a little of it onto my sponge. And now you just work on scrubbing at your floor. So now this is disinfecting and giving a little scrub because in my basin, it's bumpy in here, so it's getting into the cracks. And then this is also good for fiberglass sinks and showers because we don't want to use anything abrasive in those, they'll scratch. And these can be applied to just about anywhere in your home.
I used a funnel and I poured half a cup of white vinegar, 1/4 a cup of coconut oil, or you can use olive oil, half a teaspoon of dish soap, and then 30 drops of fragrance or essential oils. After that, I replaced the spray nozzle on top and now it's ready to go. I used a microfiber cloth to apply the cleaner with. To use this leather cleaner, you're going to want to test out an inconspicuous spot on your couch first to make sure it works. I used my do-it-yourself leather cleaner to clean my entire vintage leather sofa.
Take shaving cream and spray it all around the bathtub. Take a rubber or regular broom and scrub the bathtub thoroughly until it's clean. Then rinse off with water. Take the shaving cream and spray the toilet brush to clean it. Spray it on and let it sit for a while. When it's complete, the shaving cream and the residue will be gone. Take the shaving cream, spray it on a mirror, and use that and a microfiber towel or paper towels to wipe it down.
Dab Murphy oil on a cloth and clean your vehicle interior to give it that brand new look again. Dab some more on a cloth and clean all those fingerprints off your stainless steel appliances. Wipe clean with a dry cloth for a nice polished finish. Fill a bowl with warm water and pour Murphy oil into a separate bowl. Use a toothbrush or cleaning brush to clean your jewelry. Look at those diamonds sparkle. Use the same setup to clean your wicker baskets. I always do this with ones I get from the thrift store. It adds moisture to rejuvenate the wicker and smells great too. Dab Murphy oil on a clean cloth and wipe down your wood furniture. It cleans and polishes. Pour some Murphy oil into a mop bucket with hot water and clean your floors. This works great on real wood floors too.
If your vacuum cleaner is starting to smell a little stinky, this is an easy hack. Throw some baking soda inside either the bag or the vacuum cleaner itself. This will deodorize the vacuum cleaner and keep your air smelling fresh. To clean your grout, place your soft scrub into the grout. Use a toothbrush to scrub it into the grout and let it stand for about 10 minutes. Wipe it up with a clean, damp rag. Grab some shaving cream from the dollar store. Sometimes odors sneak out from the bottom of our toilets. Take the shaving cream and spray it all along the crease of your toilet. With your rubber glove, spread it on so it covers and seals that whole opening. Let it set for approximately 10 minutes. You've now eliminated odors that were hiding underneath of your toilet between the seal and the toilet tank. Grab some Fabuloso from the dollar store. With a sharp object, poke a couple holes into the item. Place the cleaner inside the tank. A little bit of the Fabuloso will be released and will help clean your toilet. Grab a spray bottle, fill the spray bottle with 3/4 water. Take a cap full of Downy and place it into the spray bottle. Replace the lid, give it a little shake, and you've created a wonderful air freshener that you can use anywhere in your home. Grab a small bowl, place a little bit of vanilla extract into the bowl. Also add a little bit of water. Place the bowl onto a baking sheet and place the baking sheet in an oven. Close the oven door and turn the oven on approximately 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. This will help your house smelling fresh as the vanilla extract aroma fills your home.